Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today our topic is how you can add password on MS Word file so that no one can open or edit your file. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our geeks and subscribe our channel. Guys, if you are an office worker, boss, employee or a university student, most of the time you need to travel your files, you need to send your file on pen drive or on email. So there is need to add password to prevent unauthorized access for your files and data. For this purpose, we are going to open Word. Just to add some data. This is random data. So add some modifications. My add some fonts and increasing size. This one is better. Control A for select all. Justifying your paragraphs. So my file is ready and I want to add password. Just go into file, then save as, browse. Now choose the location for your saving file. This is desktop. Name my protected file or my file. Then go into tools. Now in general options, select general options. This is the option password to open. You need to add password for restriction to open file and password to modify. Add password for modifying file. So there should be two different passwords for this file, one for opening and second for addition, modifying. 1 2 3 for opening and 3 2 1 for modification. Now click OK. This will reconfirm your password. The first one to open, this is 1 2 3, then OK. Now password for modifying, now 3 2 1. OK. Now save the file with that name, my file, on desktop. So file has been successfully saved and passwords also have been applied. So let's check the passwords. Now this one is my file, password protected. Click on it. So enter password to open the file. Now you need to password if you have sent via email or on pen drive. This password is compulsory for opening of this file. This is 1 2 3. So for modifying password, the next one was 3 2 1. You need two password, one to open and second for modifying. OK. In this way you can add password. You can protect your document and Word file for modifying and opening. Thanks guys for watching and learning.